This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about food stands and displays, specifically this Hamptons square bamboo serving stand. We have the small size that's 5.5 inches square by 2.5 inches high. And you can see it features a lovely bamboo wood top and a sleek, stylish, and simple porcelain base. So it's just got that nice tapered white porcelain bottom to it. It's also available in a medium size that's 8 inches square by 4 inches high, or a large that's 9 3/4 inches square by 4 inches high. So these are a stylish way to not only elevate your desserts and food, but also to serve them. That bamboo top has a lovely natural finish to it that gives it a soft warmth. And the base is nice, sleek, beautiful white porcelain, and it's just a nice little contrast between the two that really helps to give it some charm and just a unique, wonderful look. So these are perfect for treats both savory and sweet. So think cakes, pastries, cupcakes, muffins, brownies, cookies, or even things like appetizers. These are going to be great for serving things like mini quiches or tiny savory tarts. The bamboo is durable while the base is chip resistant, meaning that these are going to really stand up and give you a long-lasting item even when you're using it in a commercial environment. So these make a charming display setup for bakeries, cafes, coffee shops. They're great for use by caterers at events, or just if you're doing some entertaining at home to show off your creations to your guests.